A metronome is one of the most valuable practice tools available to you as a pianist. The Inovus i88 has a built-in metronome that you can use while you play. To use the metronome, simply press the metronome button and begin playing. You can increase or decrease the speed of the metronome by holding the metronome tempo button for 2 seconds and then using the data up-down buttons to both increase or decrease the tempo. By default, the metronome is set to a time signature of 4/4. You can change this in the menu and select from 9 different pre-programmed time signatures. To change the time signature, press the left menu button to access the menu, use the menu down button to scroll down to the time signature setting, and use the data up-down buttons to select your preferred signature. The time signature will revert back to the default 4/4 setting when you power off the piano.